Hi friends, day 4 at the beach. I haven't gotten a lot, sorry. I'll try to do better today. Today we're going to take a break from the sun because we've all gotten a little red, and we're just going to go shop. You see my earrings? Double red egg.
Oh, what does that mean? If the water's on top?
Yeah, real rip tides and real strong currents.
Does that mean no swim?
Probably.
Nobody in the water.
I don't know how to work for Baywatch. I said, I don't know how to work for Baywatch.
I just saw one. Oh man, that's warm. Did you get it?
Yeah. That's a piece of a shell. Looking for shark's teeth.
Sand is very soft.
I know. Maybe that storm got some stuff stirred up.
It must have. Well, look how dirty the water is.
Yeah.
Well, I don't. I am wolfing down these potato chips I haven't eaten in days.
Hi friends, welcome to day 5. So I'm going to catch you up to speed. Day 3, my sister and I got our ears pierced. Day 4, we spent at like a touristy spot, boardwalk on the beach, Broadway on the beach, something. And that was just a lot of going in and out of shops and picking up things. I've gotten this shirt. So far it's got a hood. It's cute. It was on clearance for $5. Today was a rainy day, so my niece and I went plant shopping. We will have a haul when I get back home. And now it's about to storm again. So we're sitting on the balcony and we're going to watch the thunder and lightning and all the fun stuff. So lots of family time, lots of shopping, doing things like that. I'm just not pulling out the camera as much, just focusing on relaxing and enjoying time with family. Okay, looking east. Got some nice blue skies. Really pretty. South. We're looking all right. Yeah, the lifeguards are out. They're getting everybody out. There's people in the water. We got double flags. The lifeguards are out. They're getting everybody out because there's thunder. When thunder roars, you go indoors because look what we have to the west coming in. Oh yeah, buddy.
Black people.
They would never know.
Nigga, please.
Never, ever, ever in your life.
Are we recording? Yeah, we don't have to be quiet. I can put music over it or talk over it or do whatever.
I don't even think you can see me. We don't need to see no crackers up in this video.
You can only buy.
You're gonna get banned from YouTube.
You are, because you're the one calling people crackers.
I ain't on YouTube.
I'm not either.
Yeah.
Nobody supports their sisters.
I'm on there. I support you. I follow you.
Yeah. I just got Wi-Fi, so I'm still learning.
Leslie.
I say 6.
Dia's not in it.
She not?
You say 6?
Yep.
Don't be trying to look at her hand in the camera.
I'm not.
I say 2.
I say maybe 2. Leslie got all the cards.
Hold on. I'm still trying to get us child.
Don't be looking at Momo's cards.
Me?
Democratic Party that she is now turning independent.
And writing a book.
And writing a book. They all writing books.
That's so sad.
Y'all should all be prosecuted.
I know.
Every single one of them should be prosecuted. Because they knew. They knew.
They knew what?
All right,
How
so
bad
who goes
You.
first? Me?
Go ahead, blow us out the water. Get it done over with. Why are you gonna record the hand that she's the best at?
I didn't.
I think she set this up.
You dealt.
I don't want to be in this video.
Nobody said you were.
Good.
It might just be Deanne's big head.
Oh, yeah. Can you, Jayla, is my head in the way if I do that?
No.
Alright,
I can see Mama's side.
Her.
Can you see everybody?
So play your
Yes.
lowest card.
You can see everybody? Okay.
Can't really see Leslie.
Go again, Leslie.
Yeah, I can't see Leslie.
No.
Can't see
This
what?
is how we play. If you know you're going to be in a roll, you sweep.
Momo, come
so
on,
whoever
son.
has the highest number of bids is the other person is the sweeper.
Okay.
And I'm automatically always the sweeper because Momo's slow.
Huh? What did I do?
Nothing.
Who died?
If you can beat her, Momo. If you can't, move on. Come on!
Let her get her candy open.
Eating that damn 120 calorie one piece of candy.
One 140 calories.
Oh, sorry. Sweeper was slacking.
The sweeper was gazing.
Sweeper was ciphering.
Damn, she got all the red hearts.
Oh no.
She was trying to solicit that.
Partners?
Mm-hmm.
Well, she shouldn't have done that.
That's the last heart that she got.
Yeah, she had. That was the last one I had.
Okay.
Oh, look at us all talking across the table.
We're learning.
Beat them. Go again, Mama.
Mommy. Can I have the charger, please? Mommy. Your thing is on 64%.
Percent.
Yes, can I have the charger? Mommy, can I have the charger? Mommy, can I have
Hold
the
on,
charger?
hold on.
Mommy, can I have
We
the
got a vicious
charger?
game
Quiet.
going on here. No more diamonds.
There's chargers up there, baby. I think there's more iPhone chargers up there.
There's not.
There's not.
It better be.
Mama, I think.
There should be 2 up there. One of them is an Android, but the other should be iPhone.
No.
That might be Android, baby.
This is the Android. This is this is the Android and this is the Android. There's no iPhone up here.
Not into the cards, ma'am.
Huh?
Popping into the cards.
Who, me?
Yeah. Can you beat a 10?
Mommy. Mommy.
Thank you.
Mommy. Have the charger, please.
Yeah.
You go, Dan.
Ah.
Can I have?
We met our books. So
Cool.
we didn't set.